In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter fixed assets into QuickBooks Online. If you've purchased equipment, vehicles, or other long-term items for your business, you'll want them tracked properly so your reports and tax records stay clean and accurate. We'll set up the right account so those purchases don't get mixed in with everyday expenses. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to the banking area so you're on the bank transactions page. This puts you in the accounting workspace you'll use most, and it's a convenient jumping-off point for managing accounts. From here, open your chart of accounts. This is the master list of every place money can live or be categorized in your books. It's where we create a home for your fixed asset so it shows up correctly on the balance sheet, separate from your profit and loss. Create a new account. This tells QuickBooks you want a dedicated bucket for the asset you're tracking. Taking a moment to set it up right now saves time later and avoids reclassifying transactions down the road. When the new account window opens, set the account type to Fixed Assets. This choice is crucial. It controls how the account appears in reports and ensures it's treated as a long-term asset, not an expense or a current asset. If you see a detail type field, pick the one that best fits what you purchased, such as vehicles, machinery and equipment, computers, or furniture and fixtures. Choosing the closest match helps keep your reporting consistent. Next, give the account a clear name you'll recognize at a glance. For example, vehicles, delivery van, or equipment, laser cutter. Add a short description if it helps your team understand what lives in this account. If you're tracking multiple items, consider creating separate accounts for major assets so you can see costs individually. If you're moving from another system and need to bring in a starting value, use the balance and as of date fields to reflect the asset's original cost at the date you want tracking to begin. If you plan to record the purchase as a bill, check, or expense, leave the opening balance blank to avoid duplicating the amount. When in doubt, confirm with your accountant, especially regarding accumulated depreciation and how they want long-term assets structured. Once everything looks good, save the account. That's it. You've created a proper fixed asset account in QuickBooks Online, making it easy to categorize purchases accurately and run clean financial reports. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to keep your fixed assets organized the right way.